Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a boomerang on Instagram with just using your camera roll. And this is quite simple, and I will show you as quick as possible how we can do this. Alright, first of all, open your camera and then make sure that the live option right in the top is turned on. So right now it's live, so this is what you need. Then create the boomerang effect, so something like this, and then make the picture. Now there's one thing that we need to do, that is go to your Instagram. So click on Instagram, then from now click on the plus icon, click on story, and then click on the picture that we just made. So that is this one. Right now, if you can see, there's standing a little boomerang sign in the bar. So right now, if I click on that boomerang sign, you can see that he is using that boomerang effect. So if we now do done and now do your story, we need to wait until it's posted. And right now, if I click on this, you already can see it, but you will have a boomerang with your first second. So to be honest, you need to be quick to create a nice boomerang, but this is exactly how you can do this. All right. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.